Alright, let's cut straight to the chase. Is DressLinea.com legit, or just another online scam waiting to snatch your cash? I've dug into the latest info, and as of January 2026, all signs point to DressLinea being highly suspect. No legit positive third-party reviews. Trustpilot? Nada. Instead, you'll find warnings about similar sites, like DressLinea.com, where people complain about cheap knockoffs, wrong sizes, or only half their order showing up. Let's talk red flags. First, those premium dresses at crazy low prices. Classic scam move. If it looks too good to be true, it almost always is. Second, stolen photos. Websites like this often use images ripped right off real brands, so what you see is not what you get. And don't get me started on returns. You might find yourself stuck paying sky-high shipping fees to send things back overseas, if you even get a return address at all. So, how can you protect yourself? Always check the website's URL. Make sure there's a padlock symbol and the name matches exactly. Scan for real contact info. A legit business will give you a physical address and a working phone number, not just a sketchy contact form. Before buying, Google DressLinea.com scam or hop on Trustpilot or the BBB for actual user reviews. And always pay with a credit card or PayPal. That way, if things go sideways, you've still got a shot at getting your money back. If you already ordered and think you've been scammed, contact your bank ASAP and ask for a chargeback. Bottom line, I'd steer clear of DressLinea.com for now. Better safe than sorry.